nearly putting his fin up for us as well, guys. Nice little mirror, about £5, but on a cold day, happy days. Winter method feeder, get in. Quick method feeder tips for winter. So the best 4 tips I can give you: firstly, feeder size. In the summer you might be chucking feeders this size, you can see that. In the winter I generally use nothing bigger than that. That's the Guru small, and I will go down even to a micro if it's that hard and I'm literally begging for bites. So don't worry about the size of the feeder, actually about getting you out there. These are all available in different weights, so just because the bowl size is smaller, just go up a size in weight if you need to get out to where you need to get to. Today I'm only using a 20-gram Daiwa Enzon one. The Daiwa ones are very similar, they're just more like a pear shaped, and there you go, that's a large Daiwa Enzon, and that's the small one I'm using, which is the 20-gram today. These ones are an inline one, and you can also, at the back they've got a groove in them, so you can interchange the sizes without having to set up again. So they're the Daiwa Enzon feeders, guys. I'll show you a bit more about them in another video. Tip 2, do not discount flavours, and by that I mean, so these like the Ringers FXs, Calder Goos, and also the sticky syrups. These I put all over my 2mm pellets and mix them in. So with that, gives you a real good binding quality, but also adds that beautiful smell as well. They do them in Cell, chocolate orange and other flavours. As you all probably know, Goo, if you don't, comes in 1,000 flavours, and Ringers have got several of these FX range. These all leak off as well. These two are designed to go on top of your feeder as well, the same as like other glugs as well that are out there. Next most important one is wafter size. So I generally, in the summer and the warm temperatures, I use 10 and 8s. Soon as it starts to cool off, I start dropping to an 8. Don't go to 10s unless it's really big fish all the way. Then I start dropping to 6s, and I will even drop to like 4s and 5s, just to show you the different sizes, guys. I'll show you here, I've got them here. There you go, if you can see them there. Don't know if you can see them there, guys, but the difference is massive in the size there. So the pink is a 10, and that's in a yellow essential cell, both on Guru QM1 size 10s. And that's another point, I will still stay with a large hook. I very rarely will go any smaller than a 12 if I'm fishing for carp. So other than that, another feeder tip size. So I will try and get away, guys, with the lightest tip you can. So just to see if it is little finicky F1 bites, you're seeing them little bites, it just aids that as well. But yeah, and generally try and time your bites. So stopwatches, I use my mobile phone, and I usually aim for like 15-minute casts. If they come quicker, then I'll keep trying it at that time, and then if it's longer than 20-25 minutes, then I know possibly it's going to take time to get these bites. So it might be a sit and wait day where I'm fishing for 1 or 2 fish in a match, or just a pleasure session. So, but generally I won't leave it out there for longer than half an hour. That's just me, some people will. But yeah, I hope them tips will help you to put some more fish on the bank this winter. Like I said before, guys, get your drop right, roughly half your rod, so about 4.5, 5 foot on this one, behind you. Punch it out, drop it back, and she goes. Don't move that rod, get it sunk. Don't need to put just a tiny bit of tension on it. Don't reel it in, because you'll just move the feeder away. And feeder placement this time of year is even more important, guys.